Hello friends, in this video, I am going to tell you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy. Let's get into it. CJ provides dropshipping services, including product sourcing, processing orders, product branding, custom packaging, and even shopping services that e-commerce sellers can take advantage of. Here I am on the main page of CJ Dropshipping. Have a look at it, and I have opened Etsy in another tab. Here it is. I have already logged in. You can see from this profile icon. Just scroll down and take a look at it. Now let's go back to the CJ dashboard and navigate to my CJ. Here, you have to sign in simply by username and email address, or you can also sign in by WhatsApp, Facebook, Google, Apple, or Shopify. I am going with a Google account. Now I am on the dashboard of my CJ. To connect CJ with Etsy, what you have to do is simply click over Store Authorization, and from the drop-down click on Etsy. Here, you will get the option to create your store right now. You can transfer records and also add your store here. And here you can check how you can connect your Etsy to CJ. I am going to click on Add Store, and right now I received a note for unavailability of authorization, and you can get help from their tutorial. So this is how you can connect your CJ Dropshipping to Etsy. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.